ट्रेड विथ ईएमए चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। वरुण बेवरेजेस लिमिटेड स्टॉक का चार्ट एनालिसिस करेंगे आज ये ओपन हुआ 980 प्राइस को और अभी 936 है। 53.30 प्राइस से, that is 53.30 rupees has been down today. You can see minus 5.39%. Let us see the chart. Here I am going to let us see one day chart first. You can see here each candle represents one day. You can see here the support has been broken and the volume has been decreased. And the RSI is turning down, that is going to 37. Here it's 37, facing downwards slightly, and the MACD has been given the signal, that is downtrend in the MACD. Here MACD has been down. This broke the resistance. You can see the resistance, not resistance man, this is the support of one day candle chart. The support has been broken and the stock, the support 950.63 has been broken. Now the stock can go up to 918, not 918, up to 898, up to here. The stock may go up to here, that is 898. In upcoming days it can reach up to 898, and here it may take support. Here bounce back may happen, but this may fall up to 898 in the upcoming days, that is tomorrow and day after tomorrow, like that. Here the EMS are given the indication, down indication by the EMS, that is exponential moving average has been cutted. Bearish sign is showing here clearly. So you may short sell the stock as the stock can move downward direction. Let us, as the parabolic SAR, here the parabolic SAR is there, you can see down. If parabolic SAR forms above, then it tells that the trend is down, the stock may down. Okay, here is another confirmation. Here volume down, RSI down, going down, MACD down, and it's broken the support also. This is the support. This is also broken. Let's see in the 15 minutes chart. You can see here the chart of 15 minutes. Each candle represent 15 minutes. Okay, you can see today it has been opened. Here the big candle 15 minutes. Here the downtrend started. You can see the chart. It's moving downwards. You can see the direction of the stock is moving downwards. As here the resistance also broken. In the 15-minute chart, the level 970 has been broken. As per the chart analysis, this broken the previous support also, as this may gone low. I think this may break as the trend is down. You can proceed to short sell the stock if possible. Cross check yourself whether the stock will up or down. Take decision and make your choice. Don't just blindly believe what I say or anybody says you. Just think before what you can do. Check yourself, cross check and see whether this may up or down, and then take the decision whether to short sell. Okay, this 1 minute chart, this is not required. In weekly chart, let's go to the weekly chart. You can see here the weekly chart. Here also the parabolic SAR is showing downtrend. The volume has been decreased and the RSI is trending towards down. Here MACD has given the signal downside, cutted. EMA also given the downside, but not completely downside in the EMA. We need to wait, but this week is shown here is down and down. Let's go to the monthly chart. Here also you can see in monthly charts, here EMA has been cutted and here MACD is showing bullish sign here, but here is the red one. Here is the red one, you can see. The monthly chart is down completely, you can see. And the volume has been also decreased here. Here the volume has been decreased. Volume has been decreased. Volume has been decreased. RSI is trending down. Here the candle formed is down trend. Monthly chart that is going down and down like this. EMA has been crossover is been given. Okay. In one day chart, this is showing like that to short sell, but think before you do anything. Don't do blindly. Be careful, be strong, be stay alert. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.